Hello there, my name is Chad. I'm here and we're going to be taking our family today. Let me get out of the sun here. We're going to be taking the family today and we're going to go camping for the weekend. Today's Friday, obviously tomorrow is Saturday. So here we are today. I'm getting the camper together with the truck. Hopefully you can see it in the background there. Get it all hooked up. And right now I'm just trying to get it all packed with all the clothes and the food and ready to get the weekend started. Alright, so we are hoping we can make some videos for our friends and family so they can see what we do on our camping trips, on our glamping adventures, and get an idea of what we do and the fun we have, and maybe show you guys around different parks and scenery and get ideas for the adventures that await. Say hi.
Hi. Chad. You better edit this out.
All right, we are set. We are leaving. We're ready to go. John, are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we gonna go?
To coffee.
Okay, let's go get Bella and Tony. You ready?
What's up for the trailers?
Okay, so we're here at Target. We decided to stop and get a movie or two for the kids. I know they like to watch movies, right? Yeah?
Hopefully they get Despicable Me.
Despicable Me?
Yep.
And we're all kind of thirsty too, so we're gonna get something to drink real quick just to have on the way up there. Okay, well, we made it here. We are now at our campsite here in Lake Hemet. I have the trailer behind me all hooked up, ready to go. Some things I could do different next time. I forgot to put the level blocks underneath the tires, so it's level going forward and back. It's not so level going left to right, but it's not too bad. I think you can see it behind me. It's okay. You know, learning curve. Anyways, we are excited to be here. It's awfully windy. It's about 15 degrees cooler here than it was where we came from, which is great. I'm glad we brought our jackets along with us. The kids have wandered off, going for a little stroll. I'm very, very, very excited that they have some time to be able to be away from the parents and explore and find new things and learn to stick together and discover new things. And so I'm very, very happy and excited about that. Cannot wait to hear about how their day was and their adventures. There's more to come tomorrow. We're going to be going to a small town of Idyllwild, and we're going to be able to go to small shops and have pizza for the kids. A small place that Jessica and I have really enjoyed throughout our life together. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and finish getting set up. Good morning. It is Saturday and we are waking up to the sun. The kids have already ventured off and are enjoying the RV park grounds, and I'm waiting to start breakfast. I made some breakfast burritos on Thursday evening to enjoy today, so I'm gonna get those grilled up here shortly. Say good morning.
Hi, good morning. Say hi, good morning, Gia. Hi, good morning. Say good morning, Tony. Good morning.
So we're taking our morning walk this morning and we come up across a bunch of ducks. What do you think, guys?
So cool. I'll have them in our house.
No, we're not bringing them in the house, honey.
We can't wait to go to Country.
We're on our way to Idyllwild today to spend the afternoon shopping and getting pizza.
Yay!
Okay.
To this coffee shop and they give us a little cup filled with whipped cream and a drizzle of chocolate. And it's so good. And it's so good. Here are so
We decided to stop here after our morning coffee, which was great, by the way. Higher Grounds coffee here in Idyllwild. And we decided to stop for some fun with the kids and paint some pottery. So we're here now at Earth and Fire. Jessica and I have been here before, and we've had a lot of fun just sitting here for hours, being creative, painting, and then they fire them in the little kiln they have here. And then the next day we come back, we pick it up. It's awesome. We've had a lot of fun. So we thought it'd be great to have the kids join in and make some fun stuff today.
You can leave it white and you can put little white dots on it, or you can paint it white if it's not a bright enough white. But generally it'll be perfect. And I have had, and then you can do the buttons. Don't do the buttons until you do the background color first. Up there, so you may just want to try and paint around it too. Okay, but if you get it on it, it's not a disaster. We can use a Q-tip and clean it right off.
Okay.
I hope that it's this.
It's like a beautiful.
Yeah, yours is looking very beautiful.
How's it going, Bella?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there too.
How's it going, Gianna?
Very good. Baby.
How's it going, Jess?
Excellent.
Let's see your project. Love it.
Not yet.
All right, so we got done painting. I was bumping somebody. I'm not going to name names, but I bumped them a few times, unfortunately, so they had to redo an eyeball. But we're on the way for some pizza for lunch. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we at?
All you have to do is ask.
Can you edit that pizza?
Were we getting pizza? Does Tony like pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I love pizza. Yum. We're all here.
We have a little bit of a blues band tonight playing. They're setting up right now, and looks like they're just practicing and getting ready. Right, so we came back a little bit early today from Idyllwild. We had our pizza and had a good time, but we decided to come back and spend more time at camp.
Woo! Hi. And the pizza was so delicious. And I love this place. It's awesome. There's so many fun things to do, like over there. There is tetherball courts, basketball courts, and a volleyball court. And they have all those almost all around. And if you go down a little bit more down this road, there is a bridge, which is pretty cool because you can just...
Is it over there, made out of stone?
Yeah,
or brick?
It's a stone bridge, and it's really cool.
Oh my goodness! That's right. You gotta dance to win. That's all I can say. That's probably the best thing you've won all day, huh?
Very cool. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I thank you.
Nice.
You guys want something fast, something slow, or
What is it? Is it like a CD?
CD.
fast? Something good.
CD.
Something good for a change, huh? Thank you very
Little
much.
crackers. Nice.
That's for you. It's for your wife.
Okay, this is not a song that I wrote, but we did record this song once upon a time. Mind your business.
Okay, so as you know, we saw the blues band. Bella got a CD and a bumper sticker because she danced the best. Awesome. I will post the information of the band, the blues band, down below. They're actually pretty good. In any case, we decided tonight to rough it, and we're going to be making macaroni and cheese and barbecue pulled pork. So, my first time making pulled pork during a camping adventure, but sounds like it'll be a good time. And then after we have dinner, we're going to have a bonfire and some s'mores, and I have a special treat as well coming in just a bit. But let's see if we can take a picture of my macaroni and cheese and my barbecue pulled pork. You have to admit that does look pretty good. In any case, I'll see you soon.
Go ahead.
And our special treat, go ahead. We have a special treat for the kids here. Let me see how much magic Mama has.
Take a picture of it.
There we go. Now we can see some color.
Now we got magic.
It's so pretty. It almost makes me want to touch it.
You don't want to touch it.
Still want to touch it.
That's pretty blue and green, huh?
Yeah.
That's
I'm gonna
pretty-
take a picture of it.
That's magic. Mom must be magical. Alright, and it looks like Jonna is enjoying her s'more in her waffle cone. How's it going, babe?
Good.
Not you. You're not babe, you're Gianna. How's the babe to your right? How's she doing?
Good.
Okay, good, good. Nice talking to you, sweetie.
Okay, babe.
Okay. Good morning, it's Sunday, and we are waking up to another cold, brisk morning. I'm going to go ahead and make my orange cinnamon rolls on the grill. They were pretty good last time, they'll probably be pretty good this time.
Some stuff with it.
Sit down. Sit down.
Look how good those look. They're beautiful.
They're getting there, they are rising. Let me see if I can show you these. So these are orange cinnamon rolls, but they are the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls that you get in a... Let me put that back over here. Yeah, so these are cinnamon rolls in the Pillsbury can. You pop them and whatever. I take an orange, I cut it in half, and I scoop out all the oranges, flesh inside of the orange. And I take a cinnamon roll and I put it inside one half of the orange, okay? And I wrap it in foil and I put it on the grill. Then I open up the foil packets on top so the steam can escape while I'm cooking them, and it allows more room for the cinnamon roll to rise, okay? I have it on a medium heat. I don't want to burn the bottom of the orange too badly. It might taste a little funky, but they've probably been on the grill for 10, 15 minutes, and I would say that we're getting fairly close, and then we'll have breakfast. Okay, so we made it back home safely. No one died. That's a good sign. We went up to Idyllwild and got our pottery that Jessica and the kids had made, and it looks great. Maybe I can show it to you later. And on the way up to Idyllwild, remember it's about a 15-minute drive from our campsite to Idyllwild where we had made our pottery. I was looking in my mirrors and I noticed that there was something that was black that was hanging on the back side of the trailer. And at first I thought maybe it was the grill cover, it was black and leather looking. Well, I decided to stop and pull over and just check it out just to see. And sure enough, I did not use the pin lock and put the grill back into its secure location, for traveling. So basically we were driving with the grill in the rear of the camper just swinging on its own free will. So it's kind of funny looking back at it, but it could have been very dangerous. Another reason why it's so important to do another walk around or 2 or 3, and I'll have to remember next time to make sure I check the grill. I had locked or put the pin in the right spot. When you open the grill for cooking, I did not put the pin back when you lock it in the secure traveling position, if that makes sense. So yeah, well, things to learn. Thankfully nothing got damaged or ruined, so we're good, and I wasn't going that fast anyway, so we're okay. But yes, we are back, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the trailer unloaded and start to get the trailer unhooked and put everything back the way it was before. It was a great trip. We had a lot of fun. It was the kids' first time. They did real well. Some things we might do different next time. More activities, more things for them to do to keep them busy. And it was nice that they had their freedom, but we'll definitely remember to bring along other outdoor activities, maybe small things that they can do together in our little area that can keep them entertained for a while. But they're excited to go again, and I'm looking forward to going again as well. So until next time, I will see you later.